purchase planning form is very similar to the order form. The only difference is that on the order form you can only work with one supplier at a time. The planning form shows all the suppliers, giving more information as well as graphs to help in the decision-making process. The aim of the form is to help you to decide what to order by, amongst others, predicting next month's sales, giving you minimum and maximum stock levels, and a host of other information. Show only the suggested quantities that are greater than 0. This is the value that the computer predicts you will need. Click this button to show only stock where the quantities are greater than 0. SmartIt is now using the reorder level and manual reorder quantities as supplied by you on the stock form. Here you can see the stock form where the reorder and manual quantities were filled in. Let's go back to the purchase planning form. Here you can see the number of records shown. If I click on the suggested button, it will show both the suggested and manual quantities added together. And you can see the number of records are now 265. The order quantity is the quantity you are actually going to order. If you click on the All button, it will show you all your stock. Number of records is now 8,675. Click on the Recalculate button if you want to recalculate the suggested quantities. Usually, this is not necessary, as SmartIt will automatically recalculate every time there are stock movements. Type in days to order. For instance, if it is the 14th of the month, then you don't want to order for more than 16 days. Number of days till the end of the month, because you don't want to pay more than is necessary, and click on Update. Notice how the suggested quantity changes to reflect the new number of days. Click on Transfer to Order Quantity and select which quantity you want to transfer. The suggested quantity or the quantity as determined by you, or reset order quantity to 0. Here you can see that suggested quantity was transferred to the order quantity, the quantity you want to order from the supplier. Next, select the supplier you want to order from. Select Transfer to Order Quantity, and you can see how the order quantity column is populated with the values. Now you can still change the order quantity if you wish. Remember, you can also set your reorder level to your average monthly sales. This will only be done for the rows that are now showing. Thus, you can first filter the form before you reset the reorder level to average sales. See how the reorder levels are changed. Now that you have the quantities to order, you can click on Create New Order. See also the lesson Add New Purchase Order, and see also explaining the different purchase planning columns.